Easy. Good boy.
You gonna eat it?
Are you gonna eat it, Rosco? It's good calcium for your bones. Don't break it. Let him break it.
He's not even trying to break it.
Oh, he's being gentle.
He's just barely picking it up. You're like, bang. He probably smells the chicken, so he's like sniffing it out. It's because you told him to be easy.
Bite it, Rosco. Nom 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 nom.
Oh, he broke it. Here, open your mouth. Broke it open. Look.
Ew.
Rosco. He's eating it.
He's a good boy. He's a good boy. It's a yummy yolk. Yolk.
He likes eggs.
I wonder if he'll eat the shell.
Hmm.
Oh my gosh, he is. It's actually good for him because it's calcium. Like how he eats the bones.
Yeah.
Yummy.
He loves the skin on his bones. Like on
He's like crunchy. It's like eating chips.
It's so weird. I didn't know he would like try to eat an egg out of my hand.
That is so funny. Well, now I know not to ever leave the eggs low enough that he can get them. Because he might eat them all. Now you're going to lick it off the ground? Really? Is he a good boy? Is he a good boy? Don't give him that one. We already lost one. Now we lost two. One to Rosco. One to the chickens. Good boy. Now you're going to have stinky egg farts tonight. Yum. Good boy.
He still has the shell in his mouth.
I know, he'll chew it up. He's working on it.
Who's that boy?
He's like, it's all in my teeth. Gotta go get you some water. Come on, let's go get you some water.
Looks like he's gotten smaller.
He has not gotten smaller.
Like right
You've
here.
just gotten bigger.
No, it looks like right there. He's lost some weight. Are you gonna try to eat my pocket?
Maybe because he's moving more
Probably.
since he's on the arthritis medicine.
Yeah, he looks so much smaller. Look. Nah.
I mean, I don't even give it to him every day.
Oh, he's trying to get the tennis ball. Are you serious?
Oh, still, you got a mosquito. Ew, I got him on your back.
Look, he's trying to play with the tennis ball.
Good boy, get it. Get the ball.
He just went under the car.
Get the ball.
I bet you if we got like...
Maybe he thought it was an egg.
Probably.
Because it's white. No, see, he don't care about playing catch. I'm too old for that. Nope. Don't care.
I thought it was an egg.